bullet train dream is taking shape in Ahmedabad. For India, it's a fast bullet train, and it has been started since last 2 years, and in 2 more years it was planned to at least make trial runs between Ahmedabad and Vadodara, but seems that it is going to take more time. So first let's go to the Sabarmati railway station, where multimodal facility is being created, and then we'll go to the Kalupur platform number 10, 11, 12, where these facilities are being created. So this is what is visible to you on the screen is the terminal facility multimodal, where the bullet train, the metro, and the BRTS and the Indian Railways trains railway station all are happening at one place, and this would be definitely a very vibrant and happening place in couple of years to come. Let's go to now Kalupur side so that we could also see what is happening there. So this is a look from the Sarangpur bridge, from where you could see that the things are not yet been in shape, but if you take a closer look, if you go to the actual platforms, then we could find certain activity taking place, and these kind of the blockades are put up, that work is going on. This is NHSRCL, that is Ahmedabad Mumbai high speed bullet train project, and the things are kept behind these banners and these blockades. This is actually the area of Kalupur railway station. Onto the other side, where meter gauge platforms are situated on platform number 12, 11 and 10. All these three lanes of the railway Kalupur station are given to the metro works, and things has been actually smoothened. This particular scene is of the underground metro done by the Afcons from Vastral to the Kalupur station, and that work is going on. That platform is being construction, so that is nearby. But if we come to the platform, then this kind of situation is there, that the terminal building of Indian Railways has been scrapped, and the all things are grounded. Almost nothing is happening, no cross traffics are there, but yet no facility. Like we have seen at Sabarmati railway station, one big building is coming up. Here still there is no activity going on. Only everything has been demolished, racked down. Now let's go on to the track which are being used for the bullet train. These three tracks of platform 10, 11, 12 will be used, and the corridor would be around 20 feet above the ground. What you are seeing is the alignment. These are stacking minarets, झूलते मीनारें. मैंने कभी देखी नहीं, शायद मानसून में हिलती होगी, ये हिलती हुई मुझे नहीं दिखती. खैर आप देखिएगा इसको कि कैसे हिलती है. ये ट्रैक है जो 20 फीट ऊपर होगा ग्राउंड से, और कुछ मज़ेदार सीन होगा. लोग कहते हैं इसके नीचे होगा अंडरग्राउंड मेट्रो, लेकिन अंडरग्राउंड मेट्रो थोड़ा लेफ़्ट से चलेगा. तो चेक करना है कि ये कंप्लीट होगा या नहीं होगा. प्रोजेक्ट 2023 तक, अभी नया शेड्यूल इसका 2027-28 के करीब है, तो बहुत लंबा है. कुछ चल जाना चाहिए, इंडिया में हो जाना चाहिए थोड़ा फास्ट. तो देखते हैं कि कैसे गवर्नमेंट इसको पुश करती है, क्योंकि इसमें सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट फ़ंड दे रही है, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट फ़ंड दे रही है, और जापान गवर्नमेंट भी फ़ंड दे रही है. थैंक यू.